Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic। Has, have, had, is, am, are, was, and were. They help us talk about what's happening now and what already happened. Let's begin our lesson. First, let's read few sentences on the screen together before starting the detailed explanation of today's lesson. Bruce has a bike with 4 colors. I have a blue dress. You have completed your homework. I had a test last week. We had cereal for breakfast. Let us understand it better. We use has with he, she, and it. We use have with I, you, we, and they. We also use has and have to show what we own at the present time. We use has and have to refer to the present time. We use had to talk about what happened in the past. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. We will now fill in the blanks with has, have, and had. I dash a good dance teacher. Yes, the answer is have. I have a good dance teacher. We dash a power cut at our house last night. It happened yesterday. We had a power cut at our house last night. She dash many cats. Correct, it's has. She has many cats. We dash an event to attend tomorrow. Awesome, it's have. We have an event to attend tomorrow. My sister dash a cold last week. My sister had a cold last week. We'll now see some more special verbs like is, am, are, was, and were. They help us talk about things happening now and things that happened before. When something is happening right now, we use is. This is my cousin. Am. I am drinking chocolate milkshake. Are. My friends are singing Christmas carols. And when we talk about the past, we say was. I was 5 years old when I started singing. Were. My parents were there with me. Again, activity time. Let's pick the correct words from the box to fill in the blanks. I dash a pet cat. I have a pet cat. My home dash under construction. My home is under construction. My friends dash in the next room. My friends are in the next room. We dash a party last night. We had a party last night. She dash a cheerful voice. She has a cheerful voice. I dash 7 years old. I am 7 years old. She dashed the class monitor last week. She was the class monitor last week. They dash at the park yesterday. They were at the park yesterday. Great job, बच्चों! आज की learning journey थी full on fun. Like करना ना भूलो and subscribe करो Kiddies World को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है learning और मस्ती. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक और ऑसम टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।